Ask any founder about the cost of a bad hire, and they'll probably quote the same statistic. The U.S. Department of Labor says a bad hire can cost up to 30% of that employee's first-year earnings. But that number, as painful as it sounds, is misleading. It's not the real cost, it's just the receipt. The true cost of a bad hire isn't what you can see on a spreadsheet. It's the silent, compounding tax of the operational chaos they create. The hidden costs. The 3 tiers of operational drag. First, the process disruption. A misaligned hire is like a wrench thrown into your operational gears. They ignore established workflows, need constant hand-holding, or create their own inefficient systems. Suddenly, your team is working around them instead of with them. Productivity slows, small inefficiencies multiply. Second, the team morale drain. Your best people feel it the most. They're the ones picking up the slack, fixing the mistakes, and carrying the extra weight. And as Patrick Lencioni often reminds us, one person who doesn't fit culturally can erode trust across the entire team. That's not just frustration, that's emotional tax on your A players. Third, the visionary's time tax. This is the most expensive of all. The founder, the visionary, gets pulled back into the weeds, managing issues, mediating conflicts, solving problems they hired someone else to handle. Every hour spent doing that is an hour stolen from strategic growth and leadership. The root cause. It's not a person problem, it's an architectural flaw. This doesn't happen because you're unlucky. It happens because most hiring systems aren't designed. They're improvised. A bad hire is rarely a people problem. It's an architecture problem. A poorly designed system will always produce inconsistent results, no matter how great your intentions. The architect's approach. Building a system to hire for fit. Start with the foundation, the accountability chart. Before writing a job description, design the role. What is its single purpose? What are the 3 to 5 key outcomes it must achieve? This gives clarity and alignment before you even start interviewing. Then build the walls, the core values filter. Your company's core values shouldn't live on a wall. They should live in your hiring process. Use behavioral questions to test for your values. As Lencioni puts it, hire for humble, hungry, and smart. Character before competence. Finally, create the on-ramp, the structured onboarding process. Hiring doesn't end when the contract is signed. Gallup found that great onboarding increases retention by 82%. A structured onboarding plan integrates new hires into your operating system, protecting your team from chaos and setting them up to win. Hiring isn't an event, it's an operational system. When you design it intentionally, you stop gambling with your culture and start building a team designed to flourish.